Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to log into Fairway Independent Mortgage account. Just go to Google, look for Fairway Independent and you will get this option of official website Fairway Independent Mortgage Corp. Click on it. Once you click on it will just take a few seconds, so patiently just wait here. Now on the top right you will see this option of get started. Click on it. Now sometimes it will ask you that how we can help you, so here you have to select any one of the option, right? That is a refinance your home or purchase a home, right? So I will just click on, right, and I will just select some of this option, right? So once you have completed this this options here, you will get this information that you have to fill it above, right? So this is your first name, last name, and your email address, zip code, and your password, and just go and click on submit, right? So this is the only thing which you can do here. And to be honest, there's a no actually direct information on how to log in into your Fairway Independent Mortgage account, right? So the first thing is that you can just go directly from here, or you can also visit the Mr. Cooper website and Mr. Fairway servicing website, right? So this is the direct information on logging into Fairway Independent Mortgage account. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.